What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu and the global cryptocurrency market. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. And if you are new around here, consider smashing the like button and subscribing to the channel. My, oh my, Ethereum doing its thing, up 14.93% over the last week at $2,132. We haven't seen ETH with this kind of price action for, goodness, almost a year now. Since April of 2022, when we were right around $3,000, we haven't seen these numbers since Q1 of 2022 or beginning of Q2 2022. But the fact is here, crypto is looking better and the bull case continues to rise. Overall, the global market is performing relatively well. Shiba Inu doing its thing, up 3.4% on the day. Because remember, it's an ERC20 token. And I always kind of think about it like this. Bitcoin brings in the new investors. That's what we've seen time and time again. And then people rotate once they enter into crypto looking for the next BTC, which always is going to be Ethereum as the number 2 crypto asset. And then from there, people try to understand and find out more about Ethereum, look at ERC20 contracts like SHIB, and then they see Shiba Inu with its community being the loudest and biggest crypto community out there, or biggest meme coin, whatever you want to call it. And then we start to see that rotation once again. So if ETH does well, SHIB tends to follow. Volumes up 53% day over day at $323 million US, exchanging the hands of traders. Current price action, 11,700 Satoshis, holding strong over the last week. A very nice uptrend overall, almost of about 10% in the last 7 days. So let's go ahead and dive in and talk about Shiba Inu related news. But before I do so, remember, 15 free stocks await you with Moomoo. So take advantage. All you got to do is 3 things. Open an account, deposit nothing, get your first free stock, deposit $100, get 5 more, or 5 total, and then deposit 1,000, get 15 total free stocks. And they can range from anywhere like Tesla, $185, Amazon, $101, Azo, $2,600. It's all up to you and your RNG. Take advantage of free money when it presents itself to you. Shiba Inu holders break records. Number of long-term SHIB investors becomes unprecedented. Let's read this quick article from You Today published about 4 hours back. In the crypto space, it is not uncommon for investors to be in for the long haul. But with Shiba Inu token, the number of long-term holders have reached an unprecedented level. According to data from Into the Block, the number of addresses that hold SHIB for over a year has reached an all-time high of 835,000. These are long-term positions, folks. These hodlers, as such wallets are nicknamed, now make up 67.35% of the total addresses holding SHIB. Meanwhile, the number of cruisers and traders holding Shiba Inu tokens has decreased. Cruisers who hold the token for 1 month to 12 months have decreased by 68,000 wallets, now sitting at 365,000 total, and account for only 29.46%. Again, more short-visioned investors, and you could see that's holding the SHIB addresses. And then traders who hold a token for less than a month fell to 39,480 mark, which is equal to about 3.18% of the total holders out there. Very, very good numbers. You need to understand that this is actually very good going into a bull market. These figures indicate that Shiba Inu token is gaining a stable investor base. That's the most important aspect, or people holding the floor. You probably heard that term before. Long-term investors are generally more committed to the project's success and believe in its far-reaching potential. One could argue by saying that most of the SHIB supply is concentrated in wallets of exchanges and sorts of crypto whales. However, the data shows that whale volume is 253 trillion SHIB, while retail investors hold 201 trillion coins. Another 118 trillion is in the wallets of mid-sized investors. I know we've been asking for burns. I know we have been seeing burns, but understand that the most powerful community aspect is when you have individuals holding for the long term, looking to see this token through and through. Because when demand starts increasing, and we refuse to give up our supply in our wallets, we don't put our tokens out for sale, and we do not sell them, that in turn creates this big squeeze effect like what we saw in October of 2021. No significant burns were being had. Yes, sure, a few hundred million here and there, a few billion here and there. But the fact is, the demand was higher than the supply that was circulating, And then we saw that huge trajectory of almost a 1,000% run up, or a little over 1,000% run up in the month of September going into October. And then right before November, we started seeing the sell off. The fact is here, Shiba Inu's bull case continues to grow. Shibarium is looking amazing. Over 7 million wallets now have transacted on Shibarium's Layer 2 solution. So folks, be prepared, not surprised for what's to come. I can never tell you to buy, sell, or hold any crypto asset in the market, but I can always put you guys on the plays that I'm in. Thank you all so much for tuning in. That's all I had for you guys today. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.